Hello and a very warm welcome to this special episode of the Emerging India Awards 2015 Jury on Road. Now we are celebrating 10 years of recognizing and honoring the best SMEs in the country. And taking this very tradition forward, the Emerging India Awards 2015 jury has already hit the road and embarked on a journey of unearthing the finest SMEs from various cities across the country. The capital city of Delhi flagged off the first pre-jury round of the Emerging India Awards 2015. Here's a look. Marking the 10th year of the Emerging India Awards, a jury comprising of eminent representatives of the industry set foot in the historic capital city of Delhi to discover promising SMEs who showed potential to be torchbearers of the prestigious Emerging India Awards.
We started off with a very small production facility which was just the size of this room, and now we are in 5 states. We have 18 different manufacturing units. And we are selling in 19 states of India. We are exporting to 6-7 countries. We are USA FDA certified. Canada we are supplying. We are supplying to New Zealand, Australia and Middle East.
We have a very good, excellent service track record. So our client retention is very, very high. Plus we are focused on continuous improvement process. So by virtue of our focus on giving better service and improving the process of delivering of service, so we are able to improve our services continuously.
I think it's very important to reward entrepreneurs because they are a category who are relatively unrecognized in the environment we live in today. They are the ones who are going to drive jobs, goods and services. And in our over-regulated country today, with the ease of doing business being very, very low in the international ranking, the journey of an entrepreneur is very hard. So he's the real driver of the economy. If all the youngsters who are entering the job market every year have to be given gainful employment, it is entrepreneurs and promoters who are going to be able to deliver.
It's a wonderful initiative, given that today we've had an opportunity to see brands which we don't hear of, which we know of, but we don't see them there. And the fact that these are SMEs, which are, and therefore, and these need to be encouraged. These are future corporates, large corporates of India, and it's a very good initiative.
The competing SMEs put their best foot forward, and the jury had a tough task cut out for them.
Any new horizons are opening up with this new business environment which is coming?
Yeah, we are looking at a 5-fold growth in next 5 years. So we are planning ourselves according to multiplying ourselves by 5 times in 5 years.
Well, it is a state subject. Sure. So we've seen some even large brands exiting some states because of the way the endowments fall. Things don't work out. How do you manage this?
Let me tell you, I have, as I told you, I'm a professional turned entrepreneur. I have 25 years of experience in liquor. So I know ins and outs of all the states. Policies do change, but government needs the revenue. Delhi increasing VAT from 20-30%. Haryana increasing VAT. This has become a milking cow for everybody, liquor. That's one of the reasons that I am launching one brand, one below that in prestige segment. Reason being, the cost of liquor is going up. Consumers find it difficult to buy same bottles. They say today it was for 100 rupees, tomorrow 150. So they may go one step below. So I want to have a brand there, a good quality brand.
I think the interactions were very good, and we tried, as a jury, we tried to probe into the success story of these companies. And many new aspects and dimensions of their journey has come to light, and we were intrigued by many of these. And it's a revelation many times of new aspects which are coming out, and these are unheard stories. And I think it was a very interesting and enriching experience for even jury members like us.
It was very, very interesting. We happened to meet, promoters of different age groups. One who has got 3 decades of, experience. One who just started it, who's been a professional, who's turned into an entrepreneur at a very late at a very late age. We also had a technocrat coming in. So we had good interactions, getting, we've been able to see various sectors in the manufacturing as well as services.
I enjoyed the interaction because frankly I love to hear the passion and the way promoters come out and talk about their companies, about their successes and failures, about their highs and lows, and they all have a story to tell, and I find it fascinating to understand what really drives them, what makes them tick. So it's really a very fascinating story that each of the promoters had this evening.
The Emerging India Awards are a benchmark of SME excellence in the country, and it was best reflected in the spirited presentations put forth by the shortlisted candidates.
Award almost from all the customers, and we get almost every year. Say example of JCB. We are working since last 7 years. 5 times we got the award. So this is a recognition of Best Supplier Awards.
We have brands, they are liked by consumers, we are giving them consistent quality, no reason why growth should not be there or our new launches should not be successful. I'm very confident and very upbeat, keeping in view our results for the past 3 years and the move we are going. So these 3 months in the current year, we are as per the projection. This was a unique experience for me. I have not interacted with the jury members before that, so it's a good initiative, has encouraged me a lot, provided me a platform to discuss the way I progress.
There are